is COVID getting over? And let's conclude the discussion on this topic for the day. See, if I would have known that answer, that when COVID is getting over, I think I can be at any level. But jokes apart, we need to understand as per my understanding, as per my limited knowledge and understanding. And I'm not scaring all of you. It's an RNA virus, and it's basically, first of all, it's a virus, and it's an RNA virus. So I don't think so. It will go soon. It will be there in the society, and herd immunity is one thing. Vaccination is another thing, which will ensure that it has less impact after some time. As we all know that, rather be it a HIV virus, dengue virus, any other virus, all are there. But the impact is not that much, which was there initially. So gradually it will also lose its impact. That is one good news. And second is, if we all start following Ayurveda, which we have seen, the take of this particular talk, or maybe the knowledge festival which we are doing, with due respect to other pathies, and as I said initially, Ayurveda ensures quick healing. Ayurveda ensures lesser cases are getting into the critical stage, and everything is being proved, documented. Yes, more research and more documentation is required, but still we need to understand that. And it's not a single virus, by the way. I was reading, and there was some news that last week some another version is also being in there, and it will spread through fishes and all. And so many other viruses and so many other microorganisms are there. And there is another chapter of discussion of superbugs and antibiotic resistant bacteria and all. So all these microorganisms will exist and will coexist. The only thing which we need to understand is, let's develop our healthcare system that potential should be there, that it will be able to elevate the immunity of all the individuals, so that we always fight in a better way. And also the treatment should be integrated, and treatment should be infused with whatever the best possible solutions from all the pathies, so that whenever somebody is getting infected, let's give them all the weapons to fight. Because if we understand, whenever we are in fight, we for any country, they have their army, their air force, and their navy, everybody on the duty to save that particular country. Same for our body also. Whenever there is a war, there is a enemy, let's have all the pathies together fighting to that particular enemy, so that our body will be protected. So on the same note, let me conclude my talk of the day.